Hi, I'm Kate from Renovate Like Kate. I'm here at our house today with the fantastic FireAngel and a brilliant team of electricians who are here to make me and my family safe by installing lots of fabulous heat, smoke and carbon monoxide alarms. So come and take a look. Okay, so the kit is in the house and the guys are trying to work out the best cable routing for the mains powered alarms. Super exciting, major progress. The cables are all in and we're now at the point where we're starting to wire the alarms. Okay, so amazing. All of the alarms are now installed and they're being interlinked, which means that if one activates, then they all go off. The install is complete. We are fully protected, and thanks to FireAngel, we can rest easy knowing me, my family and my home are safe.